Welcome to Fun Learning Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.
A is for apple, the fruit that keeps the doctor away because it's too busy being delicious. B is for banana, the yellow superhero that peels away hunger. C is for cherry, tiny, but packing a punch of sweetness in every bite. D is for dragon fruit, the cool, spiky fruit that's a knight in shining armor. E is for elderberry, the tiny health warrior in your smoothie squad. F is for fig, nature's pocket of sweet, chewy happiness. G is for grapes, the fruity friends that love to hang in bunches. H is for honeydew, the melon that's sweet as honey but cool as a cucumber. I is for Indian fig, the cactus fruit with a prickly attitude but a sweet heart. J is for jackfruit, the mighty king of fruits that can rule your taste buds. K is for kiwi, the fuzzy little ball of tangy delight. Awesome! L is for lemon, the zesty little star of lemonade and life's tangy surprises. M is for mango, the golden treasure of the fruit kingdom, sweet, juicy, and dreamy. N is for nectarine, the smooth cousin of the peach, always stealing the show. O is for orange, the citrus champion with a juicy burst of sunshine in every slice. P is for papaya, the tropical treat that brings island vibes to your plate. Q is for quince, the old-fashioned fruit with a flavor that's worth the wait. R is for raspberry, the little berry with big flavor power. Marvelous! S is for strawberry, the heart-shaped fruit that's a love letter to your taste buds. T is for tangerine, the sweet little citrus that's easy to peel and hard to resist. U is for ugly fruit, the citrus with a funny name but a seriously amazing taste. V is for velvet apple, the soft, velvety fruit that's as unique as its name. W is for watermelon, the summer star that's sweet, juicy, and perfectly refreshing. X is for zigwa, the exotic watermelon that's an exciting treat. Y is for yellow passion fruit, the tangy fruit that's bursting with tropical goodness. Z is for zucchini, the fruit that pretends to be a veggie. It's a sneaky one.
Thanks for watching Fun Learning Journey. Please don't forget to subscribe.